Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I completely automated my YouTube content creation workflow using OpenAI and n8n. If you have ever dreamed of running your channel on autopilot, from idea generation to script to SEO to thumbnail, all the way to logging everything in the Google Sheets, then you will love this tutorial. Let's dive in and break down the whole system step by step. First, here is what workflow does. It starts by asking what niche you want to make videos about. Then it uses advanced AI agents to generate a viral video idea and catchy title. It writes a full video script, create optimized tags and SEO descriptions, and even write a creative prompt for your YouTube channel. From there, it calls OpenAI APIs to actually generate a thumbnail image. It automatically turns that image from code into a file, and then finally it logs all your results into the Google Sheet so you can track everything in one place. Let's break down each section. The workflow starts with a form node where you simply type in your YouTube channel niche. Maybe it's AI tool for productivity, healthy cooking, or personal finance for students. This kicks off the process. The next node is called the idea generation, and this is powered by the AI agent node. This is the prompt I use for the agent. In the user prompt, I just map the output that's coming from the previous node. That is the niche. And then in the system prompt, I said you are a YouTube content strategist. Your job is to generate one viral trending video idea and a catchy working title for a channel focused on the given niche. Make sure the idea is relevant, creative, and has high potential for views. Return your response strictly in JSON format. The output from this node gives us a ready to go video idea and a catchy title. With the idea and the title in hand, we move to the script writing phase. First up, the script write node. Again, this is an AI agent, and this is the prompt I use. You are a professional YouTube scriptwriter. Write a complete engaging video script for the provided video idea and title. And in the user prompt, I just give the input, the idea, and the title. This agent spits out the full natural sounding script, perfect for recording or even AI video generation. Next comes tags and title node. Again, we have to use a system prompt, and this is the user prompt. The user prompt just passes the latest idea and the script text, and in the system prompt, you say something like that you are an expert in YouTube SEO based on the script and idea, generate a high CTR YouTube title, which has to be maximum 60 characters, and SEO optimized tags, which is comma separated, and output must be in JSON format. This this means we get a title optimized for clicks plus tags that helps the video rank on search. Then comes to SEO description node. With a system prompt that says you are an expert in YouTube video marketing, write a fully SEO optimized YouTube description for a given title and script. The first two lines must be catchy hook, then a summary, hashtags, and a strong call to action. Output as a plain text. This gives you a pro level description ready to paste into YouTube. But we're not stopping at text. Let's generate a thumbnail too. The thumbnail prompt node is another AI agent, and here is the improved system prompt I use. You are an expert AI prompt engineer specializing in realistic, high converting YouTube thumbnails. For the given title and the topic, write a detailed dall-e prompt that will generate a realistic YouTube thumbnail with realistic photographic style, strong emotional expressions, clean background, bold, and easy to read text overlay. The agent output is a ready-to-use prompt for dall-e or another AI image tool. Now, to actually create the thumbnail, we used an HTTP request node. This node sends a prompt to OpenAI dall-e API, which returns the base64 encoded image string. But YouTube and Google Sheets can't use the base64 string directly, so we have to convert this string into the file. So next, we use a convert to file node. This node takes the base64 string and moves it to the proper image file, usually a PNG file, so you can download it, view it, or upload it wherever you need. Finally, we want to keep the record of every video idea, script, title, description, text, and the thumbnail file. For this, we use a Google Sheet node, or you can use an Airtable node at the end of the workflow. I use the Google Sheet for the demo purpose. This node appends a new row to a sheet, capturing all your content in one place. So you will always have a running log of every video idea, script, thumbnail, and more ready to use, review, or even schedule for the future. And that's it. With just a few nodes in n8n powered by AI, You can take your YouTube channel from blank slate to fully planned SEO ready and visually stunning content on autopilot. If you want to see the full JSON workflow and want a step-by-step tutorial for any part of this setup, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more automation and AI tutorial like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.